3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Arm raises. Keep your arms straight. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Side arm raise. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Side arm raise. This exercise targets your deltoids and upper back. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 10 triceps dips. Start. 10 triceps dips. Don't let your shoulders go forward. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Arm circles clockwise. Start. 30 seconds. Arm circles clockwise. This exercise really helps loosen up your shoulders. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Arm circles counterclockwise. Start. 30 seconds. Arm circles counterclockwise. Your arms should go from small circles to big circles. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 6 diamond push ups. Start. 6 diamond push ups. Tighten your abdomen. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Three, two, one. Start. 30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Start at a slow speed, then gradually increase the pace. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 16 seconds. Chest press pulse. Three, two, one. Start. 16 seconds. Chest press pulse. Your elbows should be at shoulder height. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. The next 8. Leg barbell curl left. 3, 2, 1. Start. 8. Leg barbell curl left. Please don't fully extend your biceps when lowering your ankle. Take a rest. The next 8. Leg barbell curl right. 3, 2, 1. Start. 8. Leg barbell curl right. If you feel it's too easy, take a rest. The next 10. Diagonal plank. 5. Each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10. Diagonal plank. 5. Each side. Tighten your abdominals. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Punches. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Punches. Fully extend your arm with each punch. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. The next 10 push ups. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 push ups. This exercise really works on your chest, abs, and triceps. Take a rest. The next 8 inchworms. 3, 2, 1. Start. 8 inchworms. This exercise targets the shoulders, core, and hamstrings. Take a rest. The next 12 wall push ups. 3, 2, 1. Start. 12 wall push ups. Tighten your abs. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Triceps stretch left. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Triceps stretch left. Please make sure that your elbow is bent to the max. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Triceps stretch right. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Triceps stretch right. Please make sure that your elbow is bent to the max. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Standing biceps stretch left. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Standing biceps stretch left. Breathe naturally. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Standing biceps stretch right. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Standing biceps stretch right. Breathe naturally. Half the time. Three, two, one. Well done. Congrats.
I just saw how Brian was acting,